Good afternoon to all of you, class 7. It's your chapter is chapter number 2, number system. In this chapter we will study about various number system with different base, and some number system we study to conversion, means we convert one number system to another number system. And basically four number system we study in this chapter, that is decimal number system which we are using in our life, then binary number system which uses by machines, means computer use binary system to store data, and some more things. All the computers activity happen using binary digits only. And third is octal, and fourth is hexadecimal. They are also used in computer. So we will know about number system. So let's start. Binary system. So computer is a man-made electronic machine, thus it doesn't understand people's language. मतलब लोगों की भाषा कंप्यूटर डायरेक्ट नहीं समझ सकता. कंप्यूटर को समझाने के लिए हमें कुछ कोड की ज़रूरत होती है, एंड दैट कोड इज़ जनरेटेड बाई बाइनरी सिस्टम. और हम कम्युनिकेशन ओनली बाइनरी सिस्टम के थ्रू कंप्यूटर से कर सकते हैं विथ ईच अदर्स. कंप्यूटर रिकॉग्नाइज ओनली टू डिस्क्रीट स्टेट, दैट इज ऑन एंड ऑफ, that is represented by 0 and 1. So this is because electronic device powered by electrical impulses, so that has two states. As we know, electrical impulses also two state, that is on and off. Based on that, computer also understand only these two states. So these digits represent by that state represent by the two digit, that is 0 and 1. 0 means absence of electronic charge, and 1 represents on, means presence of electronic charge. So people use decimal system to count, but computer uses binary system. Binary system is a number system that has two unique state, 0 and 1, that is called bit. That is the smallest unit of data. And as we know, 1 byte equal to 8 bit, and 1 byte equal to 1 character. Let's know about byte. Byte is informative because it's provide enough difference communication of zeros and 1 to represent 256 individual characters. It include numbers that will be 0 to 9, letters A to Z, capital letter and small letter, symbols, star, punctuation, @ dollar, percentage, and all the punctuation marks including Greek alphabet that included by bytes, that represent by 256 character, which represent by binary digits, and that all that 256 codes are called ASCII code, ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So these are a collection of ASCII code. Now let's see the decimal number. Decimal number used all over the world. Its base 10, means 10 digit number, that will be 0 to 9, and after that all the number will be repeated. And average right place value is 10 times more than the left placed value. And similarly to that decimal system, we compare as binary system, that will only two digit, that is 0 and 1, and each place has twice value, but it's right में जो भी वैल्यू होगी वो twice होगी. To get next number more than 1, we put 0 to the right of 1 to get 1 0. Next we put 1 to right 1, we get 1 1. So next, as we have no more digits, we put 0 to right of 1 0, and to get 1 0 0, and put 1 to right of 1 0, we get 1 0 1. So further we put 0 to right of 1 1, we get 1 1 0, and we put 1 to right of 1 1, we get 1 1 1. So these are the mechanism of binary system, similarly to decimal system. So in this video we will see how decimal number will add it. Like see, 1 will be there, plus 1, if we add plus 1 that will be 2, if we add 1 plus 1 that will be 3, like 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. After 9 it will be 1 0. So there will be new symbol, not new symbols. 0 to 9, that will be new, original symbols, and after that symbols will be repeating. Like that, in binary system we start 0 and 1, only two digit we have, 0 and 1. So always we write 0 1 0 1 0. जनरेट करने के लिए हम 0 1 एक 0 लिखते हैं, एक 1 लिखते हैं, एक 0 लिखते हैं, एक 1 लिखते हैं, फिर एक 0 एक 1, फिर एक 0 एक 1, हमेशा यही आएगा. अब सेकेंड डिजिट में जब भी लिखेंगे तो 2 टाइम्स 0 2 टाइम्स 1, 2 टाइम्स 0 2 टाइम्स 1. ओके. अब नेक्स्ट में 4 टाइम्स 0 4 टाइम्स 1, 0 0 0 0. So 1 1 1 1. That is the representation of your बाइनरी डिजिट. बाइनरी डिजिट को ऐसे ही हम डिजाइन करते हैं. अब इसको रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे हम ऑक्टल या डेसिमल में 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. अब इसे बड़ा नंबर जनरेट करेंगे तो बस यहाँ पे फिर वही प्रोसेस लिखेंगे 0 1 0 1 0. अब फिर यहाँ पे 0 1 1 0 1 1 ऐसे करेंगे. फिर यहाँ पे 4 टाइम्स 0 4 टाइम्स 1, फिर 4 टाइम्स 0, फिर 4 टाइम्स 1 लिखेंगे. फिर यहाँ पे 8 टाइम्स 0 देन 8 टाइम्स 1. दैट इज, उसके बाद से हम लोग हेक्साडेसिमल के लिए कोडिंग कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज योर बेसिक डिजाइनिंग ऑफ बाइनरी सिस्टम, क्लास 7. Next video I will show you the conversion and hexadecimals, octal and binary digits. Thank you.